Hi everybody, I'm Tom Solid, founder of the Paperless movement, and today I tell you that I'm closing the doors of my inner circle. And I see already the shocked faces from my inner circle members. But don't worry, if one door closes, another one opens. So in fact, it is not big of a change for my existing members right now. So if you're an inner circle member, you will stay where you are, you will have access to whatever you have access right now, and it will keep this way. But there is a membership rebranding, and with the rebranding there will come a lot more new content, but also some exciting coaching features that I will add to the membership to help you best to level up your productivity system in no time and to make it so efficient that you finally will free up your time for the things that really matter. So what all this means, we will find out now. ICOR Academy. If you follow this channel, then you heard me talking a lot about the ICOR framework. Input, control, output, refine. The different parts of your productivity system that we fill with the right tools that work best with each other and so on. This is exactly what I'm focusing on in the membership already. So if you join today, you will get access to all the resources you need to implement the ICOR framework for yourself. However, this being said, things changed. So the membership is now 1 year old, a few months more. And in this year, I had a lot of one-on-one coaching calls with my inner circle members. This was part of the membership. And in those calls, which were more than 100 calls, I learned so many things of the things that you need out there in order to level up your productivity system. I consolidated this information, I identified the most frequent questions, and I built the content in order to provide you the answers in the best way possible. So if you're one of my inner circle members, you know that in January I actually launched a new ICOR roadmap, which is simply a list that gives you a golden thread through the different ICOR content and modules, you know, the master classes. I made a lot of master classes where I was covering the different parts of the ICOR. You have access to this in this roadmap. You have access to the productivity guides and all this that guide you through the ICOR framework in order to give you the best information possible. In combination with my one-on-one coaching and the forums, this was already a great experience, as I heard from many of you. Thank you very much for all your testimonials and reviews to level up your productivity system. But I thought this is just the beginning. You know me. I was just launching Paperless Movement 2.0, a completely new website. So this was already a big relaunch, preparing actually for what else is coming. You also know that I hired a team. So we are now 8 people in this team already. And we are working hard in the background to provide you a complete new membership experience in the next few months. So what does this mean? Why do I say I close the doors now? The thing is, I don't want to publish half-baked solutions. So if you want to join now, you will get the early access to this ICOR Academy experience. What does this mean? You will not only support me and this channel and my team and the paperless movement in general, but you will also play an important role on how the final product will look like. And here it comes. It will be an ICOR mastery course. So this means all the master classes, the live Q&A sessions and so on that I had last year, I will redo them. I will create a comprehensive course that will guide you through the ICOR framework in order to level up your productivity system in the best way possible. So this is actually part of the self-study tier that I will offer. So you will be able to go through this course and you will get workbooks. You will also get ICOR templates where we show you the best working ICOR systems I saw in the past 16 years. So the ICOR is very young, but the systems I have seen in the past will be available to you. These are the things that we are working on backend. However, there will also be workshops. I call them ICOR group workshops, which are done with you workshops where we will sketch out your existing system. We will identify bottlenecks in the system. We will see what other tools you could use and how you could use existing tools in a different way in order to make it a well-oiled machine. However, these workshops are planned with a maximum of 4 people per workshop. So this means those workshops will be quarterly and you can join one workshop per quarter. This allows me to have one workshop per week and cover a lot more members this way, but it's important for me that we don't have more than 4 people in this workshop because I want to focus really on you. At the same time, talking to all the Inner Circle members in the last year, I know that you have a wealth of knowledge on certain parts of your ICOR system. Bringing these people together in the workshop, this will just exponentially increase chances that you will get recommendations that will level up your productivity system in no time, just by attending this workshop. I'm 100% sure about this. But you hear it already, it's limited. So this is why we have the self-study course, we have the group coaching, and then we have the people following me on YouTube. And you know, you're happy with the free stuff that I'm providing, and maybe you just want to find a way to engage with the Paperless movement community, but also to support the YouTube channel so I can stay unbiased and not sponsored by any third-party companies. And therefore I created a third tier, which is the community tier. So by joining this tier, you will remove ads on my website, you will get access to the comparison tool, you will get access to the members only discounts, and you will get access to the awesome ICOR community forum where you can ask questions, engage, connect with other members and so on. So this has 2 purposes. One is if you just want to hop in and start some discussions, it's fine. Maybe you will do the self-study course, which includes 1 year community access, but once this year is over, you don't need to extend this high tier course anymore, but you want to stay in the community and keep supporting the channel. So then you can actually downgrade to this community tier as well. So I thought it's important to actually add this option as well. So a lot more of you who want to get in touch with me and the community have the chances now to join as well. And for everything that I was talking about right now, this also means that from now on in the videos, I will stop talking about my Inner Circle members. I will start talking about my ICOR members, which are part of my ICOR Academy. Is this really going to my heart? It's not a course, it's a philosophy. My vision is that I provide you the framework and the methods and to be tool agnostic. So this means I'm not telling you to use any tool like Notion, ClickUp or anything in order to implement the processes and methods. It is actually teaching you how you can get the most out of any tool by implementing some simple rules, understanding your processes, learning about your work streams, and get recommendations of the tools that work best together. So the midterm vision here is that you will be able, inside the membership, to build up your ICOR framework, and maybe you place some tools in different spaces in the ICOR and you get recommendations for other tools that works best with your existing system. And if you join today to the self-study tier, you will get access to 1 workshop and to 4 live Q&A sessions, which is not included in the self-study usually, but I want to launch this together with my existing members, but also give you the option to join early. And for joining that early into an unfinished product, I also want to give you the chance to get a lot more out of this, to help me build the best experience possible. And you will also get a 20% discount on the final price. So if you don't want to miss out on this, make sure that you go over to the Paperless Movement website. You will easily find where you can sign up and get all the information, what's included, what I want to give you there in the future. And I cannot wait to welcome you in the new ICOR Academy. Have a great time, and I see you on the inside.